Welcome everyone, let's record phone calls in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Very important, the recipient won't know you're recording, so if you're in a two-party consent state, you will have to let them know. Alright, so the first step is open up the Play Store. You're going to search up for Call Recorder, and the one you want here is Call Recorder Cube ACR. You're then going to tap on the install button right here, and the Cube ACR recorder will install into your Z Flip 4. So once the app has installed, let's open it up. We're going to tap on Next. We're going to tap on Grant Permissions, and you're going to allow all of these permissions. This is just allowed so that the Cube ACR app can function. We're going to tap on Enable App Connector. We're then going to tap on Installed Apps. We're then going to find Cube ACR App Connector, and we're just going to tap on the toggle to turn it on, and we'll tap on Allow. Now we'll tap on OK, got it. We'll tap on Allow. Geotagging, you can tap on No thanks for. If you see this premium stuff, you can tap on the X, as this software is free to use. So let's tap on the phone and let's call someone up. So I'll have the Apple number here. Cool. And okay, my phone, my SIM card doesn't work, but you tap on call and the phone call will start recording. It will not announce to the recipient that the phone call is recording. And once you hang up the call, the recording will be available in the Cube ACR app. You'll see all of the recordings right here. You can tap on the recording and you'll be able to share and all that good stuff. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.